Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to make this very beautiful handmade Eid Mubarak greeting card. So I will show you how to create this beautiful background, the sentiment and the beautiful quilled moon. So let's start with procedure. For this we need white color 3mm quilling strips, pencil, liquid glue, scissor, quilling tool, tweezer, white, dark blue and red color poster colors, 2mm round brush, white color thick cardstock, 1 pattern paper thick cardstock. First I am taking this white cardstock which measures 15 by 14 centimeter and I am drawing here sketch of mosque. So the sketching part is done. Now I am taking red and dark blue color poster colors, mixing both the colors and outlining the sketch using 2 number round brush. Here I am making night scene. That is why I am using those dark colors. So outlining is done. Let it dry for some time. Now I am coloring rest of the area using blue-red combination, and on top of this line I will color only with dark blue color. Background coloring is done. Now let it dry for some time. So it's dry now. Now I will outline the whole sketch using black permanent marker. So after outlining and coloring the doors with same blue color, it will look like this. Now I am sprinkling some dots of whites using my fingers. I took some white poster color on my brush and just sprinkling by tapping this. So it will look like the galaxy of stars. Now I am taking this round box. The diameter is 10 centimeter and I will wrap white color 3mm strip around this to make a ring. I have joined total 4 strips together and now I am just making the ring. So it's done. Secure the end ring is ready. Now just twist this ring. First pinch both the sides like this and push the upper part to create the moon shape like this. Add glue on these bunch of strips so that it will be steady. Hold this for some time. So the moon is ready. Now I am connecting the moon on top of the painting like this. Now I am writing the sentiment Eid Mubarak using white acrylic color. Like this. Now I am taking total 8 pieces of white color strips. Here I am taking 1/6 strip of white and joining all 8 strips from top. Like this. Now twist this whole bunch using tweezer in one direction and just open the scroll. You will get the beautiful scroll. Now secure all the ends using glue. So the scroll is ready. In the same way I have created one more scroll. These 2 scrolls are made using 1/6 strips and these 2 tiny scrolls are made using 1/8 strip. Now I will connect all the scrolls inside the moon. Like this. So just add glue and connect all the scrolls. So this is done. Now I have created some tight coils and some teardrop shapes, and also I am adding one more smallest size scroll in this place. Now I am adding these tight coils randomly between scrolls. Small tight coils are made using 1/6 strip and large size of tight coil are made using 1/4 strips. So I am connecting these tight coils. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. In the same way I have created 4 more teardrops, so I am adding these teardrops around the tight coil. Now I am adding rest of the tight coils. So this is done. Now I am taking this pattern paper card base, which measures 32 cm by 17 cm, and I have folded this in half. Now I will just paste my greeting card on top of this base. So just add glue on back side. And connect like this. Let it completely dry. So it's dry now, and a beautiful Eid special card is also ready. You can write any sentiment inside the card. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.